Hey guys, this is Venkatesh from Codecho. If you are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. In this video, we are going to see how to create your first React app. To create your React app, we need two components. One is Node.js and another one is NPM Manager. By default, NPM Manager comes with Node.js. So we'll continue further by downloading Node.js. We can click Node.js, download. And here you can see there is nodejs.org. It's an official website. You can click that, go to home. You can see here, download the current latest version or the most used version. I'll go with the current version. If you're different from that, you can see here it is for Windows and it is for Mac OS. You can describe your specifications here and you can download it. In the meantime, the package gets downloaded. Let's wait for it. To create your first own React app, we need Node.js and NPM Manager. So once it is done, it will be open up. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it's getting started. Click on next. Accept the license and agreement. Next. Default path is fine for me. If you want, you can change it. Next. Next. And click on install. It will take few seconds to install. Yeah, it is going on. Please wait for it. Once it is done, we can open it up by using command prompt. Let's wait for it. Yeah, finish. Okay, let's go to our command prompt. You can see it right here. I'll just open it and I will maximize it. Just click node-v to check the version and to check whether it is installed properly or not. And we'll check for npm, that is Node Package Manager. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it's perfect. You can see it here. Okay, let's close it. Let's go to our Windows Explorer. Let's go to C drive. You have to create a folder here to get started. In my case, I have already created. You can see it here, React. In the same way, you can create for yourself. Okay, let's go to command prompt once again. Make sure you run it as administrator, guys, because it will avoid any further problems. We'll maximize it and we will dive into the folder which we created earlier. It's React. Okay, I'm in my folder. Now I will use npm. Press npm install global create React app. Here npm is the Node Package Manager, install is the global installation, create React app is the standard term which is used for it. Let's press enter. Let's wait for it. Once it is done, we can see it here. 4 packages are looking for funding. npm fund for details. That means it is installed. We have installed 67 packages by default and 68 packages in 13 seconds. Let's start creating our app. Use term create React app. Here, create React app is a standard term. You can use it by default. And you have to give your application name. I will give it as Venkatesh. Create React app Venkatesh. Venkatesh is my application name. Let's hit enter. By the way, guys, it will take some time because React has a lot of templates in it. So this have to get installed by using Node Package Manager npm. Always you make sure to install the Node.js, the latest version, to avoid any further problems. Let's wait for it. This process time completely depends upon your processor. I mean, of course, it will take some time for the first time. When you get used to it, it will be more faster than you think. Guys, forgot to mention that it will initialize a Git repository by default. You can use it to upload this file into GitHub. Now it is initializing our template, which will be required by us. You can see it over here. Yeah, once it is done, you can see it. You can see here npm start, npm run build, npm test, npm run eject. To start our application, we have to use npm start, and build. It is a different concept. We will see it in another video. Now let's dive into my application folder, that is Venkatesh cd change directory. Now press npm start to start the application in your local development server, that is your browser by default. I'm using Chrome by default. In the meanwhile, we can go to that folder. And let's open it in our VS Code editor. I'm using VS Code. You can use it any editor. See guys, this is our first React application. You can see it here, and I'll show you something. This is the source folder. Here app.js and index.js is the main rendering files. Render means change, to change something. These are our important folders. Keep it in source folder. And this is our first React application. You can see it here. It's a React logo. And go to the documentation. You can just press learn React. And this is the React documentation. You can search for errors. You can search for some guidance documentation from here. That's it guys in this video. It's it. Thank you.